This 30 by 30 by 10 building, known as the Double Stuf Oreo, was designed with a smart layout that combines garage space with a clean, functional setup. The overall footprint is a 30 by 30 floor plan with a 30 by 25 enclosed building and a 5-foot front porch extension. That porch is created with a gabled end, along with two 4 by 9 frame outs, adding both coverage and a more finished look to the front of the building. On the front, it features a 16 by 8 garage door opening, giving it a more traditional garage feel. On the side, there's an 8 by 7 door opening, made possible by using a header bar to remove a support leg and keep that opening clean and fully usable. The 4/12 roof pitch is another key upgrade, helping the building match more of a residential style while also improving overall appearance. With horizontal siding and a two-tone color scheme, the design really stands out and gives it a sharp, clean look. Installed on concrete with concrete anchors, this building is designed for long-term durability while still offering a practical and versatile space for both garage use and storage.